Outstanding design defines the 2015 Nissan Titan. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include cruise control, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.